Easy vegan meal prep recipes for a healthy week, cooking for special diets. Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel, where we create delicious recipes tailored to specific dietary needs. Today, we're diving into the world of vegan cooking and meal prepping. Whether you're vegan, transitioning to a plant-based diet, or simply looking for healthier meal options, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Before we jump into the recipes, let's talk about why meal prepping is a game changer for busy individuals who follow a vegan diet. By prepping your meals in advance, you save time, ensure balanced nutrition, and reduce the chances of making unhealthy food choices. Plus, it's great for budgeting. Our first recipe is a colorful and nourishing roasted vegetable Buddha bowl. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and plant-based protein. Let's begin by preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Chop a variety of vegetables, such as sweet potatoes, bell peppers, broccoli, and red onions. Then, they show how to season and roast the vegetables in the oven until they're tender and slightly caramelized. While the veggies are roasting, let's prepare the quinoa. Rinse the quinoa and cook it according to the package instructions. Once ready, we'll assemble our Buddha bowls. Assemble the bowls by layering the cooked quinoa, roasted vegetables, leafy greens, and a dollop of tahini sauce. And there you have it, a vibrant and wholesome roasted vegetable Buddha bowl, perfect for lunch or dinner throughout the week. Let's move on to our next recipe. Our next recipe is a gluten-free twist on a classic pasta dish, gluten-free lentil pasta with creamy tomato sauce. Instead of traditional wheat-based pasta, we'll be using lentil pasta, which is high in protein and naturally gluten-free. Cook the lentil pasta until al dente. It is important to not overcook it to maintain a nice texture. Now, let's move on to the creamy tomato sauce. In a pan, sauté some minced garlic and diced onions until golden and fragrant. Then, add in your favorite vegan cream alternative, tomato sauce, and a pinch of Italian seasoning. Let it simmer for a few minutes until the flavors meld together. Combine the cooked lentil pasta with the creamy tomato sauce and tosses it gently to coat. Voila! A satisfying and gluten-free lentil pasta with creamy tomato sauce that will surely delight your taste buds. Let's proceed to our final recipe. Last but not least, we have a low-carb and keto-friendly twist on fried rice using cauliflower rice as our star ingredient. Keto cauliflower fried rice. Transform a head of cauliflower into cauliflower rice using a food processor. In a pan, heat some oil and sauté minced garlic, diced carrots, peas, and any other vegetables of your choice. Once the veggies are tender, add in the cauliflower rice and season with soy sauce or coconut aminos, ginger, and a pinch of salt. Stir-fry the cauliflower rice and vegetables until everything is well combined and heated through. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious keto cauliflower fried rice, packed with flavor and low in carbs. It's a fantastic alternative to traditional fried rice. Now, it's time to plate up. That concludes our meal prep session for today. We hope you enjoyed these easy and flavorful recipes catered to special dietary needs. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or complicated. With a little creativity, you can whip up amazing dishes that nourish your body and satisfy your taste buds. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting recipes. Until next time, happy cooking! Like, share, subscribe.